Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Replacing the filter on your Dyson DC32 is essential for maintaining its performance. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, gather your tools. You will need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a cleaning cloth. These tools will help you access the filter compartment and clean any debris inside. To begin, unplug your Dyson DC32 from the power source. Safety is our top priority, so make sure you follow this step carefully. Next, locate the filter compartment on the side of the vacuum. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws holding the compartment cover in place. There are typically 2 screws to unscrew. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the compartment cover off. You may notice dust and dirt inside, which is normal. Use your cleaning cloth to wipe down the interior of the compartment. Regular cleaning helps maintain the efficiency of your vacuum. If you find that your vacuum needs more than just a filter replacement, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, carefully remove the old filter from its slot. Inspect the filter for any signs of damage or excessive dirt. If it looks worn out, it's time to replace it with a new one. Slide the new filter into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. If you don't have the tools or the time to do this yourself, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you. After placing the new filter, replace the compartment cover. Align it properly and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Tighten the screws with your Phillips screwdriver, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the cover. Now, plug your Dyson DC32 back into the power source. Turn it on and check for any unusual sounds. If everything sounds good, you've successfully replaced the filter. Lastly, if you encounter any issues during this process or prefer to have a professional handle it, remember we can provide a quote before repair. This way, you'll know exactly what to expect without any surprises. In summary, replacing the filter on your Dyson DC32 is a straightforward process. With the right tools and a little bit of time, you can enhance the performance of your vacuum cleaner. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. No calls, no travel, just efficient solutions at your doorstep. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.